Hello guys, we're back with another video, and today we're going to show you where my dad got from Amazon.
Hurry up, Dave. Taking 10 years. So a box inside a box. What is this? So here's this thing. Open it up. What's this? So this is a bit of a wire for a cigarette lighter socket. Interesting. What is this?
Oh.
So this is, what's else in there? Sticky tabs to hold it in place, and some fuse thing. I don't know what a fuse is for. I don't know what God knows what a fuse is for. Anyway, I forgot about the fuse. This is a solution to this replacement for this. This old one I had from. Could leave that, Bob. This old one I bought from Halford ages ago. Halford's in a place in the UK we buy motoring parts, and we call it Half.
So
Wait a minute, we call it Halfords because they're a bit of a rip-off. But I bought it, it wasn't that bad. I've had it for years and years. When you used to go to that place in Bury for tuition.
Kip McGrath.
Yeah, Kip McGrath, yeah, years ago. Yeah. So this many years, I've had it for many years. It's quite good, but now when I'm trying to put my dash cam in here, connect it in here, it keeps them going off. So I assume these sockets have gone, and now I tried it in the other one, it keeps them going off. So the other thing is, I have to connect my TomTom because someone we go places like you got tournament on Sunday, football tournament. I haven't, so it's in Blackpool somewhere. So my car's quite old. It's very old, so we need to have a TomTom, which is a satellite nav thing. You connect to the windscreen and display. We're going to show you in a minute because we're going to try and rig this up. This has gone kaput. It's not working any good. So this is go. So I bought this from Amazon. Now this thing from Amazon is meant to be pretty good. It's got 3 of these socket things, and it's got on the side 4 USBs.
I thought that was just design.
No USBs. It's excellent. And on top here it has some kind of display to tell you how it wants to work, and you can press each one as you need it on or off. So it's pretty good. It's a bit smaller, so it'll fit in the recess that I've got in the car. If you compare that to that, let's put it on top of one another. It's a bit bigger. It's quite a bit bigger, the old one. So, and the amazing thing is, it's got 3 sockets and 4 USBs. This had 1 USB. Wait. Stop messing. 1 USB, and I said to have to use this one for the other USB, and 2 of the kind of socket things. They call it, cigarette lighter sockets.
Do you think this is safe though? Having 4 USBs?
No, I'm sure it's fine. We're going to test. Anyway, I'm going to test it, maybe do a feedback review. But let's go. What do you think of it?
Very nice.
It would have been nice though if this was like the coily cord, like this one, because this is better. This is better coily cord.
Why do you cut this off?
If only. But this would. I think this thing's not working great either, actually. So this is better, and this is just like a big long cord.
Yeah.
Could be better with coily cord.
So the power bit is better, but this is.
Yeah, this bit's better on this old one than this here, but it is what it is. We've got little tabs to keep it from moving on, but it doesn't really matter. And you've got sticky tab to keep it in place. I don't think that matters because it's got like a recess sits on. I suppose you just stick it in place there. So should we go to the car and try it on?
Yes.
Yeah, and see what it's like.
Yes.
And hopefully it's going to work. We better do.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're in the car now. It's a bit dark. It's quite hard to see. This is my old car. I'm going to start the engine actually because we need to make sure the engine's started to make sure it's all working. Where's the keys gone? There. So start with the engine. Up. It's an old Volkswagen Touran. It's a pretty good car. Pretty good car. Does the trick. So, turn it off. Okay, so made it off. So basically, I've got TomTom here. I've connected it here. TomTom sat nav. And then, right, what we're going to do is show you. So it would have been normally in here, this socket here. So it's not very clear, that is it? So here. So this is the socket. This is for my dash cam here. The dash cam is here. Here's the dash cam. So I have to connect dash cam. I have dash cam all the time because you've got to have these on connecting man cards because if you crash or if someone does a dodgy maneuver and you hit them, then they can blame you and say, oh, he hit me, and then if you got a dash cam, you record it. It's good. So I always want this running, but then we have to go places, and when I don't know where to go, we'll have to have this running. Or I have to connect it with my phone, with this phone holder here. The phone, the Google Maps is never great, it's never good. The TomTom's actually much better, but it's faff. So I was having to do this. Here's the wire for the TomTom, and I had to connect it to, it's normally a USB connector, see, USB, but you have to use this socket thing to put it in the cigarette lighter here. It's a bit faint, a bit hard to see. So it'd go in there, right? And then be connected, and then it comes on, right? Now the problem is, I'm not connecting the dash cam. So if we have a crash then, we're in trouble, or something happens, we're in trouble. So I had to get this because the other one wasn't working. So we're gonna try it on. So we're gonna try this thing on. Hold that for me. You do the stuff. So that's connecting up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly connect this. So this bit is gonna go in there. Oh, it's a bit tight that, but it's gonna stay. I'm not gonna keep taking it in and out. That's gonna go down there. Gone down there, little nice recess. It fits pretty good, but you have to stick up a little bit because otherwise everything can't fit in. We're going to put the dash cam. Dash cam. We're going to connect the dash cam anyway because that definitely needs to be connected. So this is the dash cam one in here. Is it working? Yeah. Right. No. What's going on then? Here, switch on. I had to switch on the back. The switch on. So this is connected now. It's sent some figures. I'm not sure what the figures are. Powered. I don't think it is that important. So that's on. That made the lights from the dash cam's on. And now the dash cam is. Show them. Dash cam is on. Excellent. So that's on. Now lights on there for one connected. Yeah, see the light on top. Yeah, have you got it? Let's see how much. Now I'm going to do the other thing from the. Now I can get the TomTom instead of using this connector we used to use. Yeah, don't need it anymore. I'll just put it in the side. Here. Let's see what happens.
Oh yeah.
And we are in business. So this is pretty good. So now I've got, if in case I needed to do anything like charge my phone or anything, I can have it in there. So I'm going to get a phone charger now because I have that continuously there on the, you know, connected by the USB slot, and I can have my phone charging if I ever need it charging. So now what we've got here is whatever that figure means. I don't really care because as long as I've got charge, I can grab the battery. And so that's for the, this socket one is for the dash cam, side one is for the TomTom USB. So let's see if it's coming on. It will come on. It takes a bit of time. I think the TomTom takes time. So that's on. That's on. What do you reckon? Oh, that's, why's that gone off? Why had that gone off? What have I done? Let me just switch it on. That's gone off now. Grab that second, son. Here's lights on here. Lights on here, so it should be working. Let me just try it. No. Something's not like the dash cam, I don't think. Let's try it again. Oh, it's coming on now. There you go. Nextbase on. Dash cam on. Just straighten out because behind a wing mirror normally. And this is thing. Now, if you go like this, let's go. Right, wherever we're going, you see that this kind of design, this kind of setup is much more easier than on when you're using my mobile phone and Google Maps. Going in Google Maps is brilliant when we needed it, but this is much easier to use. And even on these, sometimes you miss the junction, don't we?
Yeah.
But it's much easier to use. So when we go to see your granddad tomorrow, and when we go to the football tournament, we've got a tournament on Sunday, haven't we, in Blackpool, then we're gonna use this, obviously, in this much better. So now I've got both connected. I'm gonna get a phone charger as well. Yeah. So we have a phone charge, so we have any problems with that, which is good to have. Good to have. So what do you reckon? Are we quite good? Here as well, we can turn each one off. So that was on. See, on for the right hand side socket. Yeah, and then we can just turn it off, and that's on for the left hand side socket that we're using. So what do you reckon? What's your verdict? Good?
Yes.
It's all about why we're a bit messy. You know, this other thing with the TomTom, they could have had a coily cord like they did, so it's just all jiggly. It's a bit of a pain.
Make it tight and then clip it.
Yeah, I could clip it. Yeah, you can tie it and clip it. It's got a little clip. As long as it works, I don't mind. It's all a bit jiggly, it's not ideal, but that's what we need, that's what we've got. It does the trick. What do we say? Do we like it?
Yes.
Does it work? It's done the job. I don't think we need to review it. It's done the job. We've got both dash cam and TomTom on, and we'll also hopefully be able to charge as well. All you need to do is make sure the engine's running, not leave it like on with, we can use the dash cam on because we will do that, but you don't want to leave this connected because I think it's going to draw too much, far too much energy from the battery. You don't want the battery to go kaput. That'd be a big no-no. So everything's working. Radio's working.
They could be a sleeping giant for the next decade.
Lights working. Everything's working fine. Not affecting everything. Right, that's it. So we're done. Yeah. So should we finish now?
Yes.
So happy?
Yes.
Good?
Yes.
Worth it? I can't remember how much it was. I'll try and put a link in the description how much it was. It wasn't that expensive, but it'll be worth its weight in gold because it's going to do what it needs to do, the job that we need to do, and we're not going to be stressing about some little minuscule tiny and my phone's probably the problem because I know your brother said you get 3D maps on I get 3D maps on Google Maps, but it doesn't work on my phone because it's an old rubbish phone. Yeah. But this is, I love it. I love it. It's hassle the faff, but it's worth it. Have the dash cam. Definitely highly recommend. Get a dash cam. You can't get one for your car. Get one. Okay, it'll save your bacon one day. Okay, so we finished then?
Yes. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Bye bye.